mountains that I will have to climb. Yeah, me have to come back. I don't know reason we have to yarn. I make a reason and go on with something. I don't know. And when we have some good reasoning, more time the life just done something with. DJ Lava, Lord of big respect. Easy. Tan Queen. No, sir, that's it, Mr. Rough. Okay. May I have got talk? But that's thing be. Okay, may I have to talk? May I have a reason with you? May I have a reason? May I have a reason, okay, bit? You need to link me. May I want to talk to you? Because you have me up. And I care. A child a wicked mother. Yeah. So me I tell you to say now, see? More time we have vent, and we have vent to some people. Remember, you know, me I talk to a girl, see? And me I go through my crosses. Remember, you know, me I say me and her good, because when she go through her crosses, even though me and her go on with the thing and Ray, me I go through my crosses. And I say, alright, you know, I can reason with her. So me I reason with the girl and thing, and I tell her, say, you know, say, the girl you do me this and the girl you do me that, and all of a sudden the girl just turn on everything and say, yeah, man, you this, you that, you never want me this, and you never want me that, and you never want me Ray, and you never want me Ray. And she just go down in it and go out with a crocus bag of thing. Chuckstar, big timers. This man changed my life. Me nearly mad out. Richie, remember back good. Remember back good, no man? Why? Chuckstar. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. We have to know what we are doing when we are reach out to people. And remember say, people and them ex can good. Yeah, your ex can good. As long as you just know say your ex. You not try beg them back no front. You not beg them back no front. And when you still go on like you beg back front, at them time they know say you know get over your ex. Once you start beg your ex front, you just know say problem I got there. See? Big problem I got there. Anyway, I talk to one of my friends just not too long. And he's a friend this so I know a long time from me down a jungle on the little sound. Before my bus. I remember where she had come from. Ah boy. Ah boy. People. Some people go through it, boy, yeah. Them go through it, boy, yeah. But, I need to tell all of the man them this. You can't have a girlfriend without begging her front. Enough woman friend me have, I never beg them the front. And every woman if you want beg front, if you make some woman be a friend and you and them cool, them can come ask you what you think about this as a man. And you can ask them what them think about this as a woman. Somehow you make no old rule too much. Stop making no old rule. Stop thinking with no old. And think with your brain. Stop think with your hood. You hear me say? It's not every woman want to have sex with you. Some of the women them just like you as a friend. Some of the women them just like your vibes. Them just like your energy. Them never say them like your physique. Not because they hear a woman comment on your picture and say, Lord, him sexy, or she comment and say, minds. Anybody can comment anything because it's likes and comments. We can comment anything. Don't make that comment that get to your head. Remember, me have enough baby mother. All of my baby mother them upon this. And my responsibility all I pick to them. Hear that one you know. Dirty Bergs. Hear him. People don't follow Dirty Bergs. Boss want me if the woman look good. So your friend not feel look good? Your friend supposed to look good. Your friend supposed to look good. Your friend supposed to look good. You hear me say? Paper. Anna have a daughter when named Kashayla. I say she put her up one day, say she must be 15 and one of them age. I can't be for so long, I know Anna K. I joke this. Anna K pick me at 15 you now. See me and I try to get bright in me have a little girl in Japanese bed. Hear him. And if she's attractive. I joke this. Paper. Don't follow Bergs. Do not follow Bergs. Let me tell you what I like. I tired for the girl ever come ask me about if I have a nice friend. If I have a nice friend. What do you mean if I have a nice friend? Me know if I go set you up a man. And then when it no work out and me come throw down all your crosses span. Lady, look your own man. Me a man, me no look man. Me no know if I go talk to man for woman. Now come to me and come ask me boy if me not a nice friend. Oh, is he single? Me no know who's single, who ready for mingle, who a album. Me no know none of them something there. You no stop stress me out. You not stress me out. Me not ask you if you have a nice friend. When me did younger, me used to do them something there. Me stop them something there now because I realize it's a hoax. Not no go so. But if me not have a nice friend. And all of the man them well love see your friend woman and talk about you know I'm a nice friend like you. I like him like your woman here. I like him like your woman. Once him a come to you and I talk about Nikki, you know the nice friend like you. None of your friend them nice like you. I look you, yeah? Him a try throw the ins out a long time and I say him would put one by you. Can't trick with. When a man come ask me, woman, boy, you're not a nice friend. You're not a nice friend like you. What you mean? None of our friend them are nice. The one of them dirty and one beard. None of my friend them are nice. Them rank. Mowgli and Frowsy. So leave that part there alone. And I'm glad me have no reason now for me telling you something else. Because I like can tell you something them saying. A lot of bad mind woman live a foreign. I know I go vex. Because I go touch that topic here now. I know I go vex. A lot of bad-minded woman, a lot of bitter woman living in foreign, overseas, whether Canada, England, Curacao, Bahamas, anywhere at all. A lot of bad-minded woman. Hear why I say that? Every time some of them wicked girl are foreign, hear say, them friend come to Jamaica, come look for your man, hear them. I want to use so every minute you go to Jamaica. No man na they foreign. No man na they foreign. Move yourself and go. I don't want to 2 o'clock this morning, you know. I don't want to 2 o'clock this morning. But me I go try hold it. Me I go try hold it and nobody cuss. Me I try keep it nice and clean and don't cuss. No bad mind. No bad mind. No for uno decide say uno entertain a man at Jamaica. So when you see the people in relationship work and the people them send for them man and marry them man and them man live happily ever after, leave them alone. You're too bad mind. You're too bad mind. Leave the people them. The woman don't want to talk to the guys them overseas. Because firstly, she said that a lot of the guys them over there, some of them not ambition, she said. The one them where she come across. And she said she tried the dating world over there many times. She tried a white man. The white man don't like beard. She tried with the Yankee. The Yankee love living in his parents' place and the Yankee does have him clothes them children all about. She tried with the Jamaican. The Jamaican say him no want to go work and him not do certain things. And him no want to try to pay tax, him no want to try to go work, him no want to go do nothing at all. Him a talk about, oh, I want to man a yard man. You feel like man come here for go work for some boy. We not work for some boy. So the woman decides that she want to go outside. She want to go to an island boy and try to make it. So, not because you see the woman come to Jamaica come pick her man. Or she depend on her third man now from Jamaica. You vex and bad mind the woman. And I come talk about the Jamaican man and yam out the woman money. Move from there and go. Leave the lady alone. Leave the lady alone. Your bad mind. Leave her. She depend on her fourth relationship now. Leave her. Jamaica, yard man, her thing there. Sometimes some of the females when they ask them want to the man them a foreign, she says some of them button too soft, it not firm. You understand? So she have to come to Jamaica to get the real hood and water and jerk chicken. Right? So that is why she come. So leave the lady alone. You understand? Nobody don't. Your love language is different. Everybody love language is different. Remember, you know, you have some girl tell you say, you know, you have to come from 80 for them there with you. Some girl like Asians, some girl like Bahamians, some girls like Bajans, some girls like Guyanese, some girls like Trinidadians. You understand? While you have some girls, they love Jamaican wood and water. Everybody have them choice. To each their own. That's why me I tell the man them a foreign say, purge out to the system because the girl them a sound a button now work. So that's why them have to travel 4 hours come from Canada, 4 hours come from New York. Okay. You know he's my real baby mother. But I have Marissa baby mother them. Shabarangs don't have nothing on me. No, if you want a next gully man, you come on the gully for your next gully man. Remember, you know, sometimes some girls come to Jamaica and them take a man a matches lane. And the matches lane man then a work out. When them come back, them take a man from Garden. And if that no work out, them take a man from Denham Town. Or if that no work out, them take a man from East. You understand? Or them come a Reman Jungle or down a Waterhouse. Or Grand Spin. Here Killer Filler now. I know all of the man them. Killer Filler, me never say you know. Me just say the girl them. We come to Jamaica come take up them man. And bring them man a foreign. Me never say you know, brother. Me never say you, brother. So, no feel no way. I just what the woman them a say me a say back. I know me, you know. You understand? I know me. Cause I like say, good girl no there Jamaica. Good girl the worldwide. But you know some man just like when the woman fly in. But not every man have that ability to make a girl fly in. And every man can make a girl fly in, fly out. See? People like what them like. Make I say one little thing. Jesus Christ. Queenie, big up yourself. From week, I realize you have cuss and go on. I mean, I know how them a do, them a bash here, them a chat here, them a cuss here. But Queenie, June Plum come home and Queenie say, yeah, the man come back. Because she fight for him. She said she fight him and she bust him face and him come back. So she love him even more. That means that till death do us part. Big up yourself, you and your husband, Queenie. Till death do us part. All of the people, what did that cuss do it? And I said, do it ungrateful. I know no shame. Hazel Elizabeth, I know no shame. And when Queenie say, ha ha, the queen is there, the queen is there, the queen is reign, and the queen this and that. I know the queen lick on a chip, on a bex, I know. So the next time when she put, because she said she going to put it out again, when time she had a problem again, she going to put it out. But a queen is the best thing, me see still. Queen said, me apologize. Me not sorry, but me apologize. The queen is there, the queen is there. Queen lick on the chip, and make on the begs. And feel a weird. Wicked chin, me know your begs. What's up, California queen? I say, Queenie come and cuss and go out with a crocus bag of thing. And say, a shame for shame. So everybody shame. Me never shame. Because me tell you, say, for the now, nothing good for say, don't say nothing. Big up yourself, Queenie. You are the only June plum. I say, Queenie go sabama and say, my husband is home in the bed. And I say, Queenie go sabama and video her man in the money shop and lick out the chip again. Jesus Christ, Queenie, you're nice. All the best in your relationship, Queenie. Yeah? Big up the girl them we want to do it. Anybody will have them do it, keep on do it. Because remember, you know, Queenie find a June plum. So here what you want to do. Find an apple. You can't find a custard apple. You can't find a star apple. You can't find one of the nether apple them. Zane, you can't find a paradise plum. You can't find a mint ball. You can't find, just name it anything. Not, name it what you want, name it. Name it what you want, name it. I wish everybody nothing but the best. Because everybody deserves love. I don't know if anyone will ever fall in love before, but love is nice. Love is nice and it is lovely. When, especially when somebody love you back and you can't feel so they love you back. It is nice. I wish everyone I know find it. Someone who can find a breadfruit. Someone who can find a jackfruit. Someone who can find a bulla. Someone who can find a cocoa bread. Who can find anything. You understand, Ted? Who can find anything one want to find. Then, find your love, baby. Find your love. Because love is there for everybody. Find your love. But I want to tell you this too. And this is very serious. Because to me, the man, I follow up the internet and I read up on something and I see something with some people. Send in. A youth send in and say it can be very difficult when you take up a woman with her 2 kids. And she expect you to just be the father for these kids and embrace all the responsibilities. May I read through the comment them and enough people cuss him and enough people agree with him. Listen to me now. A lot of battered women are out there. A lot of women get pregnant for some man where them try to prove a pint for hype on another girl. And the hype was a blap and lick them to them face. Because some of them go breed for prove a pint, so them go breed for the boy and the boy want them. And when them go lick the breed, from them tell the boy say them a breed, all of a sudden the communication does start go so. Gone with the wind. Women have some crosses where them have to bear, but women bring crosses upon themselves enough time. So now if you know what I do, no found a 30 ad, no found a 40, no found no up in a age and have sense. Don't you ever try to breed for keep nobody's son or be a next baby mother. Because if you never did a mind 6 times pitting them, don't bother feel like him going to come take care of your one. Enough time when the sister the man a jankro. But just because you did feel like the queen of the jankros, you run go jump in and do what you have to do. Then when your next partner come now, you expect him to be this wholesome father. Remember this, people. You see, a child is a very innocent little being something. Especially when I'm more than one of them. You have some struggling mothers there, and you have some single mother there where I do them thing, but all them need is a man who come stand up side of them. Remember, if that man ain't have no pitney, it a go hard for him come step up and be a father for pitney where him not get yet, Him don't know if he be a father yet, And then you are going to want to cuss him and war him and do him all kind of things. And I say, oh, you have to do this and you have to do this. He's not obligated, Remember them say if you love the cow, you have to accept the calf. But don't just fling down things upon the man. Give the man a chance to do theme part. Give him a chance to do some things. Don't war him to come be father for your pitney. You is the mother and the father. Him come automatically, him have to play some role. That's why I tell women to stop think with your front and think with your heart and your brain. Because anybody have sex, remember this, You have some woman that have 8 pitney and them front come like a virgin. Glow! Jesus Christ! Nigga, the way it's small, so you say, Jesus, boy, murder. Look a finger can't go in. And I 8 pitney she have. And it's like I tell you, she have to tell you so she have 8 pitney because you can't believe. So, oh, that girl have 8 pitney and fear, gummy, so gummy. You hear me say? But remember, after sex done now, and then you look and I say, blood clear, this girl have 8 pitney. Oh, this girl have 8 pitney and she tell me, say, and every month I want to pitney them birthday, she have you as her bona fide man. Pussy glad. A girl have 8 pitney have you as her bona fide man. And every month I want to pitney them birthday. And in all 1 month or 2 I pitney them birthday, she have you as her bona fide man. You know what kind of problem that? If you are willing, you don't have no pitney yet or you have a 1 son. You don't have problem. You don't have problem because the expectations. The expectation is there now. She say, alright, a Babalusha birthday. A Swabitel birthday. Want a cake. Alright, you buy 1 cake. Next month you have to go buy another cake. You have to go buy another cake. You have to go buy this. You have to go buy. Remember say a whole heap of problem that you have to take up on your head just because of 1 little gummy, Remember, so right now you have a thing and I said, Chan must start. Then this girl gummy have me. Yo, God no. Because remember at first, you're not busy about the 8 pitney them. When they say you're not busy, they just don't say, you're not the gummy and yeah, baby. And the pitney them birthday come up, a Babalusha birthday. And you say, yeah, baby. And you in it and a wine and a wiggle and a juke and a turn. And I give her the butter. And I go at a crocus bag, I think it's 17 scandal bag. And you in it and I go on. But after you just and come out and then come back to reality now, and you say, Claude, this girl have me to pay school fee and my pitney not start gas school yet. You name all one of the pitney them all Poundland. Because you say, Poundland school fee for pay. And you know no pitney a gas school. You know no live. So you see how much problem that? You see how much problem that? So, enough woman, Them and the man were good. But once pitney come into place, so everything are going to change, right? And then, so, remember, each time you try to make a dish, and the pitney, you think about the gummy was so gummy. Because remember, man think about front, right shoe. Woman have 10 pitney and doesn't know, say, yo, she will link him every day. She beg him all a lunch money. Remember, if a woman beg a lunch money for 5 of the pitney, them, I want wicked something that, Easily, sir. If a woman asks for your lunch money for 5 pitney, and you say, John, what the gummy was so gummy. I'll borrow people, go borrow money. for the gummy. But don't get me wrong. Remember, you have some man who left for them one pitney and go take up a woman with 8 pitney, you know. I want to remember that, you know. I want to remember that. So, it's a conversation where people have to really sit down and have out still. What do you expect when you have your children and a man same like you? What do you expect? You want to just have fun? Are you looking for stability and relationship long term? What are you looking for? This conversation, you need to have them. I don't have the time to have the conversation. I don't have the time or what. Because remember, you don't want to bring anybody around your pitney. You have your daughter shape out good. You're going to make your front roll and then you're going to bring in a junk in your house to come trouble your daughter when you're not there. You can't bring anybody around your pitney. Because remember now, when you have all 2 daughters, you have a daughter and a son. They trust issues with people. It's a wicked. Because if you are very protective of your children, you're not going to want anybody around there. To me, that man watch enough Law and Order, you know. Enough little thing. I watch and I see the signs them there where you can't. Because remember say, a girl will rape your son. Remember a girl will rape your son, you know. But again, PRJ Parker, enough away, I think, with our front. Our front, we I think with. Our front, we I think with. Whenever I think about the pitney, alright. You know, say, it's very nice when a dad go to the school. Very nice, because very rare the dad go to the school. It's always the mother, the teacher, them say at the school. So when a dad go to the school, it show more authority. It show more authority. Because 95% of the time, dads are always missing. Where them gone, we don't know. Them choose to take up a woman with fear pitney and show fear pitney love. So it's like the bitterness are always there in the next baby mother. Because how can you not love your own child and show a next child so much love? I don't know, because I've never been through that when I love my pitney and then go love other people pitney. I have to love my pitney because they came from my balls. See? When you hear a man say the child was a mistake, run them way. If you came to me and said, you bought her the morning after, and she did not take the morning after, well, she have to go and fight the war upon her own until you decide to you want to be a father. Because, remember, said enough time, enough of the man them know. Them never want a pitney. Them just want their front. I tell you about the gummy, where's the gummy? I tell you about the gummy, where's the gummy, you know. While some of we as man, we know so we can't afford to take care of 3 or 4 pitney. I mean, I believe in a woman alone that take care of my pitney and me that they still buy a pants for myself and now buy a pants for my daughter or buy a shirt for my son. I don't believe in that. If I now can there 100% in my pitney life, I don't feel like I forget pitney. I just not feel that way there. I don't feel that way there. Me that is my belief still. My belief say, at the 2 hours, like how we lay down and we go on with the rukum dash, and you jump on the something and you jump off back, and me I say, yes, whoa, murder, and me I go on with the one of the nice something. Then me believe say when we are ball, we feel ball together. Well, like how we did a smile together and I enjoy ourselves together, we believe say we feel go through the tough time them together too. Me believe in that. Because of our responsibility. Our responsibility, but as I say, every man not think the way me think. Some man does think if I go breed girl, I don't know how pitney I go eat and sleep. Me have to know me youth I eat and sleep. Me can't know me can't just know say the mother alone I do. Remember one time a girl tell me for breed her, you know. A girl tell me for breed her one time. Just breed me Richie. Me just take with myself. Nobody not to know. And me I said, that girl is an idiot. I said, that girl is a real idiot. She a half idiot. Look how the girl is an idiot. Me make the whole world know about Missy and Puffy. See? Remember Peely never come into play yet. Me make the whole world know about Missy and Puffy. And me get Missy and Puffy. Then me breed you. You gone down a one place. See me a put up, say me and me pitney them, they are Duns River, chuck off in a water. My daughter splash water upon me and me a splash water upon my son. And we are gone. And you know say me breed you and my pitney dead, so you say you're in a hiding. You know say you're gonna come out? Alright. Sexy Yardie say what about abortion? Why you listen to me now, you know, see? Abortion. Remember say sometime man have some demons where them a deal with. And abortion, you see for it 4 months, 3 months, 4 months, abortion a pitney that you are dash way. See, when I say pitney, like the pitney would have farm out because them say a 3 months you take for start for farm out like. See? So if a 1 month or 6 weeks, you can do that. Remember say them say it wrong and whatever, and we have to live with the crosses there. But sometimes we don't know what the future gonna be, while sometimes we know exactly what's gonna go on. Any one of my friends that I know that not taking care of their woman, kids are their home, can't be my friend. Don't rate that. Boy, me have a whole heap of associate where make them baby mother struggling, you know. But I feed them business that because the baby mother still a show the pokey, give them. See? Remember, you know, boy, me I tell you, boy. Me have to answer to God. Me have God to answer to. My baby mother, Jesus Christ, he hate me. See? Me just a say, we have to wise up and know. Because a man must know if he can be able to take care of a youth, especially if he's a big man. Or you stay financially, because it take a lot of things, it take a lot of patience to deal with a youth. I mean, I believe, say, a woman should have got through certain things alone. I don't believe in that. Remember, I'm not perfect, but I know so I can take care of it. I know. I know me a good father. Another side of a girl them hate me because them know me a good father. And them say they don't want to give me a son and a daughter. Some of them don't want to give me a twin. Jesus Christ. Because them say, look how him nice. Remember, so when I tell people, say, Peely and my daughter, you know, them can't believe. Because them say, what do you mean Peely and your daughter? And I tell them, say, no, Peely and my daughter. Which topic you want me to touch? Samila. See? But remember, when you know me a good man, people me a good man. Remember, say, when I tell Oko, say, when I pity them get big, when I pity them get big, you don't know. Everything I go good and rare. She now wait for that. She left me. And done it me. And never look back upon me in life. Yo, hey, the wickedest thing in the paper. Oko know me a good man, you know. Wait. So you never was a Peely and never my daughter. Alright. People, Peely is not my biological daughter. See? Peely is not my biological daughter. Peely is my kids, them niece. I love Peely to me heart. Peely am a picnic because I grow Peely from she at 3. Peely have our mother and Peely have our father. But that's so Richie thing go. I just love the picnic them here, sir. I just only thing I do a plot Peely here. Now Peely are going to be 11 this year. Peely are going to be 11. I tell me to stop call her baby Shannon a baby again and them something them. I said, Jaja. You see it? I'm a pitney, but I'm a real pitney. So every day I have to tell you, watch them still there, I believe. Yeah, look at Peely, I gonna be 11. Peely, I gonna be 11. I'm not fool nobody. I'm a pitney, but I'm not a real pitney. Then if me I do so much things, me carry her to school. Remember say I me them know at the school. Me go up on the outing, me go up on all of the trips, then me do everything with her. I'm a pitney. You understand? So, you don't know. Me have 2 more youth left in my balls, you know. Me have 2 more youth left in my balls. Seriously. Thinking about it. Because remember, you know, me know you have to go through with your pitney, you know. I know you have to go through to raise a child. I know. The woman is the carrier of the child. Right? She got it. At it. Ah, boy. People, my baby mother beat me wicked. Because she has said, look how she forgive me a son and a daughter. Remember, she had beat me. Tanya, my baby mother beat me and I said, look how my pitney would have big. Jesus Christ. When I go, I couldn't feel like they have 2 more sons in my balls. What do you feel like? When I tell me about, me youth them have to come out and run out. When a bad mind me. People that make them check you. All that girl them would have never with me. Even though they cuss me and say I'm wicked. Them love me same way. Because them know say when them say as bad as thing be. How much wickedness Richie ever do? Remember if you look on a person, you know, whether you and them used to talk or not. See it? Whether you and them used to talk or not. And them look and say, but how much wickedness Richie do me? Here are. I talk about my dog with name Drake. You hate me, Oko. When them look and say how much wickedness Richie do, them look back in at them something and say, no, say Richie don't do no whole heap of wickedness. He don't do no whole heap of wickedness. Easy. Big dreams, Richard. I know while she can't believe say Peely and my own. Peely and my real daughter. You enough time I say that I tell a story as a Peely and my daughter, real daughter, but I'm my daughter. I love Peely really don't end. Alright. To the way I love Peely, one of the time a problem I pick them up with Peely and I feed them family. I feed them pick me, you know. Remember the wickedest thing, you know, my pitney them have problem with Peely, you know, cause them know the love and affection. Remember say, how whole heap of girl a problem and say, oh Richie, what about the twins? Them a jacket. Them a jacket. Especially Missy. Idea's done. Puffy and my pitney and Missy a jacket. Idea's done. Yeah, people. If you don't do it yet, I want you to go on OAB Designs and check out my jacket, Missy. Our things them. Let me look on it and show now. OAB Design. Right? So my daughter something them here, people. She sell bonnets. And my jacket. She sell bonnets and robes and scrunchies and all of these things. Right? I don't know who deliver them, but sometimes she beg me to deliver them for her. And I don't really like her like that still, you know, but she alright sometimes. So I want you to go on the website and look and see. She have them in every shape and form. Africa Pride. See her there do her something them there. Jesus Christ. See her there. People, my jacket. Jesus Christ. My jacket. Wanna know me have to love my jacket. Because you know, say sometimes the time cold, you have to put on a jacket. If you go to school, you have to have on a jacket. I'm a jacket. See her there. See her the people. And she met them there. My jacket. Jesus Christ. See it there? I'm a jacket. So you just go over our page and check out our page. Saying OAB design. She don't really have that, you know, but them give me her, so me have to take her. I have to take her. Leave Peely alone. I'm a pitney. I want to do cost me for the jacket, and she a jacket. She done. She feel like. Her day's done. But jacket, Jesus Christ.